significance and advantages of fintech from a product manager's perspective.
Right. So fintech right now, and I'm going to talk about India first, and maybe global perspective later on. So in India, fintech has been there. So if I talk about my own company, Razorpay, we've been there since 6 years, and that was like the era where actually fintech emerged. But now today, where we are standing, there are a lot of small and big players in the fintech world. So but it is still a new industry, right? It is still a new unexplored avenue where there is a scope for building numerous digital products. And the reason why fintech came into place was also that there was a dearth of digital solutions in the finance world, right? So your conventional banks and your conventional NBFCs, all of these were very difficult for people like you and me to access, right? And I don't remember going to a bank in the last 5 years. I've always been a digital banking person, and so significance of a product manager in the fintech world is, I would say, one of the most essential roles that could be there, or one of the most essential outcomes or impact that a product manager could create is in the fintech industry, which is because of one, the demand and supply gap that is there. There are so many startups, there are so many organizations who now want to avail the business banking services, neo banking services. They want to bring everything digital. They want to integrate their services through APIs, and they want to go towards automation. They want to go towards intelligent solutions. So that's where a product manager can really contribute in terms of identifying and understanding what are these things that people want, and then liaisoning with the engineering teams to actually build that. That is about the IT or the software product world. If you ask me about the core banking product managers, even they can. So there's a very hazy line between what's a fintech and what's not. So then there also product managers can actually contribute towards bridging the gap, right, between the conventional, very offline banks versus now more digital solutions that the banks are offering. So so that's the significance and importance of a product manager in the fintech world in India. Now, if you ask me about globally, what is their stature, I would say they are actually running the show there, right? So outside, neobanks are a big thing now. And when I say neobank, it's basically like a banking solution which does not involve for you to go and actually, physically do anything. So it's all online, right? And we are still far from that stage in India. We are moving towards that. But then outside, product managers, they completely envision these kind of products and they own these products. So they are actually running the fintechs outside. So yeah, I would say fintech is a great industry among others. Obviously, there are many other industries where product managers can prove to be very significant as well. But yeah, fintech is a booming industry right now to enter into.